Hi, my name's Eric. I'm an emergency room physician. And after spending some time doing some medical mission work overseas and helping some people out that were not medically trained, I've decided to try and help put together a series of presentations to try and teach people some of the basics of medicine so that when they're stuck in a place where they can't get to a doctor and there's limited medical resources, then they have some increased knowledge. So I'm going to be working on a series of videos over the next several weeks and months. So this is my introduction. We'll talk about all kinds of things: first aid, basic home remedies, as well as use of antibiotics. And the first one we'll tackle will be something fairly simple: strep throat. But before we put together any of these other lectures, I need to first give a disclaimer. So again, the purpose of this is to provide basic medical information in the event that a physician is not available, especially with recent events, the earthquakes, natural disasters. You could find yourself with very limited resources or any activity that might put you in a very remote setting like camping. It's not my intention to substitute this information in the place of real professional services of a doctor. This information demands a lot of respect, and I would encourage you to use this information with that in mind. Some of this will be very basic, like first aid. Other parts will be a little bit more complicated and should only be used if you have no other option. So that's kind of the introduction and disclaimer, and we'll be working on putting some videos together here very soon. Thanks.